Welcome to our comprehensive UI/UX design course, where you'll master the essentials of digital design. Kickstart's UX design program begins with foundational concepts and progresses through research and analysis, ideation, and prototyping. Collaborative teamwork, motion UI, and internships enhance real-world skills for future success. Kickstart's UX design program introduces core principles, setting a strong foundation for understanding user-centric design concepts and methodologies. In research and analysis, students delve into user behavior, market trends, and data interpretation to inform strategic design decisions effectively. In ideation and designing, students unleash creativity, brainstorm solutions, and craft innovative designs that address user needs and challenges effectively. In sketching, wireframing, and prototyping, students translate ideas into visual concepts. In tools and software, students master industry-standard software and tools, empowering them to efficiently execute design tasks and collaborate effectively. Technical term refers to specialized vocabulary or jargon used in a particular field. Collaboration teamwork involves individuals working together, leveraging diverse skills and perspectives to achieve common goals and produce innovative solutions. Animation in UI enhances user experience by adding visual feedback. Motion UI involves incorporating animated elements into user interfaces to improve usability, engage users. Interviews and internships provide valuable real-world experience, networking opportunities, and insights into industry practices, preparing students for future career success. Career opportunities abound in UI/UX design, interaction design, UX writing, research, architecture, strategy, product design, and management, offering diverse paths for professionals in the digital product development landscape. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your career in UI/UX design. Register now and unleash your creative potential.